My name is Nourhane El Maraghi. I'm an academic advising officer. I also graduated from AUC. I got my bachelor degree of arts in political science. So what advisors mainly do is that we are the first encounter for students in their transitioning phase from high school to their university life. So what we do is that we try to help them in this transition as much as possible by providing them with all the necessary information regarding the AUC, and we also try to always make sure that students settle in a major that they feel interested in and that they feel they can do better with this major throughout their whole academic journey. Also, advisors guide students on the different facilities and services available at the AUC, such as the workshops and sessions held by the Office of Students' Wellbeing, the AUC Career Center. These offices and workshops help students to accomplish more achievements with their academic journey. The most common question we get from students is about declaration. What is the meaning of undeclared? Why am I not declared from the gate, and so on? And whether the year they spend or the semesters they spend as undeclared students count or not. And we answer them by assuring them the year is not wasted, the courses that they take are all counted. Know more about different fields of study and explore different options until they settle on a major that they feel they can excel in. The most common mistake that freshman students make is that they highly rely on the opinion or the experience of current students and older students at the university. I know it's useful to know more about the university, the system, the courses from a fellow colleague, but they have to also make sure that they have their own experience with the courses and the material. Declaration requirements, for example, change from a year to another, so what their colleagues might have faced in the past might not be applicable on these freshman students. My top 3 tips for freshman students is that firstly, they should really focus on their first year of study at the AUC. It's a very important year and it really matters because it builds for what is coming next. Secondly, it's really important that students make use of the unique experience offered by the AUC with the liberal arts education that enables students to explore different courses and different fields of study until they know what fields that they feel most interested in. Finally, it's also advisable that students make a balance between the academic activities and the extracurricular activities offered at the university in order to get the best out of their experience and enjoy their journey at the AUC. For all freshman students, I wish you a very smooth journey. Just make sure to always ask for help whenever needed. Stay positive, stay original, and just be yourself in order to enjoy your experience at the AUC.